Hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode, and in today's video I want us to get to look into how you can get to use the high and the low of the week, and I'll be showing you how I get to incorporate it into my trading strategy so that you can get to know where the market is about to head to. And of course, remember, for this strategy that I'll be showing you, this is just one of the conferences. So in most cases, there is no any strategy which is a holy grail. So we work with the probability. So this what I'm showing you, it has a higher probability, and this is out of back testing and out of data that I've collected over a period of time. So with the high and the low of the week is usually identified when the week is starting, that is on Monday. And for you to know where the market is will be heading that week, you just need to use the 4-hour candlestick time frame. And to show you all those, I'll just allow me to just head to my PC to show you from the charts. But quickly, if you're part of this team and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do, so that we can get to move as a team, and of course we can get to help each other learn fast, and of course we'll be up to speed. So let me just switch to my PC. Real quick. So if you have been making follow-up, you do know, for my case, I normally trade just one currency, which is GBPJPY, and you don't have to trade this specific currency pair. You just need to look for a currency pair which work out for you, and of course, out of taking statistics and having a clear record, you'll know which one works best for you. So another important thing, guys, you can see right now I'm on 4 hours time frame, and in order for you to get these lines, these broken lines that you can get to see here, you just need to come to these setting options here and get to switch on section breaks. So all this I get to do my analysis on that is on my tradingview.com. and for those people who have been asking me whether what broker I normally use, just to let you know, I normally trade Profitably, and I'm a fat day trader. So that's what basically I get to use to trade. I have a funded account, so I have assets that I get to manage. So that should show you for sure my strategy is working out, and you just need to have one strategy that is working out, and then from there keep redoing the same thing over and over, and sure enough you're going to see profit by the end of the day. So with these section breaks, I want us to get to switch. This is last week, that's where the market stopped. So let me just head to Monday. Our Mondays here, you can see I already have the lines marked here. So what you just need to do mostly, you just need to make sure, let me just expand this one like that. So you can see this is Monday. You can get to see here this is Monday. You just need to wait for the first two candlesticks to see which one gets to break either above or below. You can see these last week trade. You can see you just need to choose the high of that candle, and of course the high of the second candle, as well as the low of that candle, and of course get to draw these lines. And then all you just need to do is to just wait to see whether the market is going to break either above or below. If the market gets to close either above with a strong candle, and it gets to close above with the body like it did for this case, that to show you for that week we'll be doing more of buying opportunities. So I'll suggest what you should be doing, you should be looking for more buying opportunities, because that's what we expect the market to be doing for that particular week. So mostly on Monday, since I'm a day trader, on Monday I get to look for opportunities to trade, or mostly during the London session. So that's from 10 till to around maybe 6. But for that case, I normally get good trades over mostly after 12 on Monday. So it's very, very important for you to take note on that. And remember, for my case, I normally take my trades at 15 minutes time frame. So for the 4 hours, it's just to identify the high and the low of the week. So for that case, if you get to narrow down, you can see since the market got to break above these highs with a strong candlestick, so what we just need to do is to now go ahead and we get to narrow down to 15 minutes. So what I normally do, I normally switch on my tab to show the sessions. So for that case, let me just you can see here the lines. Here we have the lines. The lines, they're just here. Let me just squeeze. I get to squeeze back there. We have the lines here. This is Wednesday, this is Tuesday. So for that case, let's just head to Monday. Let's just go back to Monday. So for those people who have been following up, you know my strategy is made up of either trend lines. We also have incorporate psychological levels, and that's why you can see these black lines which are here, as well as we also get to incorporate the Fibonacci. So for that case, what I'll be looking into for mostly, I'll be using the 1 hour time frame to pull my Fibonacci. So since the high and the lows of the weeks, they just showed us we'll be looking more of buying opportunities. I'll have to just pull my Fibonacci to see where we anticipate the market to be pulling back to, so that we can also have a clear we can get to have a clear mindset on what to expect. So for that case, you can see we can choose the high and the low of that. We can get to choose let's just pull a Fibonacci from around here, so that we can get to see what we'll be anticipating market to pull back to. So let's just come to 4 hours. We get to see how the 4 hours looks, and of course we can get to see where to pull our Fibonacci from. So for that case, we can get to pull our Fibonacci from around here. So we can get to pull our Fibonacci from around here, and that's the all-time lows, and of course the all-time highs, they are here. So let's just go back to 1 hour time frame. So for the case of the 1 hour time frame, let me just squeeze back the market a little bit. So this is on Monday. So since the market has already broken has broken on the upper side. So, and you can see we have the London session here. Mostly, I have already told you our trades. I will be getting some good trades on Monday starting from around 12. So I suggest you just you be patient enough, and of course you get to see until you get to see some buying opportunities. So take note on that. Don't look for selling opportunities. Even if they get to avail themselves, just be patient enough to make sure that you get buying opportunities. So for that case, let's just head to Monday. I get to show you how you get to look for buying opportunities, because the market will be moving more of on the upper side. So for that case, I remember I took this trade. That is on Monday. You can see. We just I normally know where to enter using the trend line. So for that case, you can see if you get to draw the trend line around here like that, I can see if you get to draw the trend line like that, you can see this will be around you can see this was around 12:30. That's when you expect the market to move forward. So for that case, you can see we'll just be looking for more of buying opportunities like that. So, and usually my stop loss is just 30 pips. So for that case, I'll just place my stop loss around there, and of course I get to target just the next psychological level. If I get to squeeze in, I can also get to squeeze in my stop loss a little bit. Like I could opt to squeeze in my stop loss like that. So, and quickly you can see you can get a quick one is 1.7. That's not a bad one. So that's the scenario for Monday. So I want to show you another scenario for Tuesday, so that you can get to see this is something that you can get to do it over and over. And now you can see these the line breaks, the session breaks for Tuesday here. So we already said that for this week we'll be looking for more of buys, and you can see the Tokyo session is here. So, and consider we normally trade the London session. So what we'll be doing, we'll be looking more for buying opportunities. So all you just need to do is to just draw the trend line around here. You can get to draw the trend line around there like that. That is 15 minutes time frame. And for that case, you can see at that time, if you can get to draw the trend line like that, you can see at this position, this is where the market got to break, and that was around 12:30. You can see that was around 12:30. So it's very, very important for you to pay attention, and of course be looking for more opportunities as per the all-time highs and all-time lows. So for that case, you can say when the market got to break above here, so we could just place another trade like this. We go looking for more of buying opportunities, and then we get to target just the next high, or we could just target just our previous high that is around there. So you can see the market comfortably got to get to that point, and our stop loss, I told you, is just 30 pips, and for that case we just place it just below the lower lows, and for that case you can see automatically we'll be looking for more of buying opportunities. That's for the case of Tuesday. So let's proceed. We get to look for the case of Wednesday. So here we are. This is the line break for Tuesday. So let's look. We are now on Wednesday. So for Wednesday London session, here we are. You can see the London session just opened at 10. So for this case, we'll be looking more of buying opportunities, remember. So, and considering the 4 hours time frame, that's where we get our trend. So for this case, I would just suggest, you can see I've realized in most cases from 10 to 12, that's when we get to see opportunities. So if you get to draw this trend line around here like that, if you get to see we are looking more for buying opportunities, and you can see this is exactly what is happening around here. So we have our eyes more of buying opportunities, and you can see right there the market just got to break above that. And of course, if you get to place our buying opportunities like this, we just place our stop loss just 30 pips around there, 30 pips, and then we get to focus on our next psychological levels. You can see that's something you can really get to do comfortably, and we got 1.69 comfortably. So what I'm saying is that this is something that you can get to do over and over. So let's look into Thursday. Remember, we are looking more of buying opportunities, and we need to be patient enough, because sometimes it might take longer than we expected, but eventually it gets to give us that chance. So for this case, remember, we are looking for buying opportunities. So don't be in a hurry until the market gets to give you a clear direction that for real that's what they're doing. So for this case, you can see if you get to draw this trend line here on London session, we just need to place our long position here, and you can see if we get to target just our next psychological level, unfortunately we just focus on just our next our previous high like that. We could have caught that move, but remember, we are in a business of probability, so it's also important for you to pay attention to all those factors. So basically, that's how you can get to use the highs of the weeks as well as the lower lows of the week. So basically, if you have learned something new, let me know. So this is also a concept that you can get to utilize it on that's the same concept that worked out on Friday. So you can see if you get to draw a trend line from here like this, we could have drawn our trend line like, for instance, like this. Let me just draw a trend line like how, and consider we are looking for opportunities on London session, because that's when we normally trade. So we could draw a trend line like that one. You can see the market broke to the upper side. We could also draw a trend line like this on London session like that. You can see, and the market also got to break and move forward. So we could have placed our trade here, and we'll be good to go. And you can see we could have caught that move comfortably. So this is something that you can get to do over and over. And guys, I hope the video has been helpful to you, and you are just going to make sure you be part of this community by hitting the subscribe button, share with a friend, and I really appreciate you doing that. That's it for today, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace, guys.